Hi, I'm Lily Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with my very good friend, Vinny.
Lily, this is one of my favorite things to cook.
Yes.
This is chicken Scarpariello. We got some sausage and we got some chopped up chicken thighs. We're gonna get a good amount of oil in our preheated pan, and we're gonna just brown off our sausage now. We're gonna take our chicken chunks. We're gonna throw it in our flour over here.
Salt.
Yeah, do the salt.
Pepper.
Yeah, pepper it up. Lily, we're gonna kill two birds with one stone, right?
Do it.
Once we get some color on that chicken, we're gonna pull it out and we're gonna use the same pan to build our sauce. I got thin sliced shallots over here, hot cherry peppers, but we're only gonna use a little bit. We are gonna supplement with marinated peppers. It has the same flavor as this, without the heat. This is slow cooked garlic and extra virgin olive oil. This will dissolve and incorporate right into the sauce. A little bit of butter. It's gonna thicken it up a little bit. Some roasted potatoes. We got our sausage that we cooked off earlier. A little bit of white wine here. We're gonna take our pan-fried chicken thighs and we're gonna throw those in. We're gonna put a little bit of squeeze of fresh lemon juice, fresh chopped parsley. That's chicken Scarpariello.
Phenomenal. So if you want to try this at home, head to news12.com and the recipe will be there. Another amazing one.
My pleasure as always.